Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, June 8th. The time is around 1:45 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the SPX. This is S&P 500 cash. 60 minutes chart. We can see right here we ended with 3 rally in the minor degree at this peak. The pullback ended with 4 at 4056. Now we are in the process of finishing up with 5 to the upside. Now within the wave 5 we can see in the subdivision we got this with 1 and with 2, with 3 and with 4. Alright, I mean, you can have an overlap. Overlap is not a problem because overlap is always a question every single time. Within with 5 is can be a diagonal, so it doesn't matter. Now we should be looking for one more push higher to finish this 5 in the minute degree as well as 5 in the minor degree, and then we can get a larger degree pullback again, right? Now let's take a look here what we got. Now first of all, let's check to see if we did break above the previous high or not. The previous wave 3 high is 4,237 and this one here is 4,234. So in other words, we have not managed to actually break above the previous peak yet. What that means then is that until we break above here, we could, for example, do a double top. This could be counted as an ABC and then fail to take this out and then suddenly starts to sell off, right? Just the worst case scenario. So only a break above this previous peak is going to confirm, yes, we are indeed in the wave 5 to the upside. Secondly, if we do get a break above wave 3, which is the primary view, and now notice here we are also at the last push higher. Now yes, we can see a little bit more upside, but we are in the almost like the last leg. If this count is correct, then we should not be expecting a major rally at this stage, right, from this point on, and it will be a sideways grinding type to the upside here, and it's gonna be a little bit choppy, but nonetheless we can still see a few more high before we end the wave 5, and then we can get a bigger pullback. Now let's take a look, zooming out a little bit to get a little bit of context on where we are. Now again, not gonna show you all the count, but just partial count concerning this 3 and 4 in the minor degree here. So this is 3 and 4 in the minor degree, and as you can see here, this then is your 1 and 2. You can see a clear extension right here. Okay, so what we're talking about then is for our purpose short term, is the cycle that started from January, right? The cycle that started from January low, we got this 1 2 3 4, and then now finishing the 5. Now once we finish this leg here, then we should be ending the cycle from January 29 as a 5 waves, and then at least we should be correcting the cycle, right? We should be correcting the cycle in a 3 waves, right? Some sort of 1 2 3. Now again, remember, we are going to correct this cycle, so the degree of the correction, you will understand what sort of pullback you can expect when you understand what cycle is it correcting. Now in this case, it's going to be ending the cycle from January low and then starting to see a 3 waves correction to correct this 5 waves up starting from January 29. Okay, so that's the idea here, shorter cycle. So bottom line is, yes, we still can see a little bit more upside in the shorter cycle. However, the kind of move to the upside that we can see is going to be limited, and it might get choppy as we are currently ending with 5. And after we end that with 5, we only, from technical point of view, we just only need a marginal high above here to satisfy the minimum requirement in terms of the number of swing, right? And then once that is complete, then we can end the cycle from January and then do a bigger pullback to correct this 5 waves rally here. All right, so if you want to get a regular updates on S&P or other indices, Forex, commodities, we have 14 days free trial for the new members, and you can always check our service The link is provided in the description of the YouTube video. I'll see you all again tomorrow then, and have a nice day everyone.